of the 90 degrees, the exactly 90 degree can be used there. This started the drawing sheet. Okay, it is a function of the tri-square can be set square, the scale and protracted. The bigger variant of the called a drafting machines can be used to the fixed of the different project. Okay, see the mini drafter can be the fixed. See the textbook in the textbook also there in the diagram to use to there in the how to the different how to fix it of the mini drafter in the drawing board. Okay, see this is a drawing board, the basics, scales, and then protractor. Okay, see the purchase of the mini drafter can be used to there is the most important of the engineering graphics and engineering design. Draw the uh, diagrams. The mini drafter can be fixed of the they attach the top of the end in drawing board. Okay, mini drafter is one of the major component of the engineering drawing to use to there. Okay, see all of you the different drawing board and mini drafter. The next T square. Okay, T square can be used to their user drawing. The straight line and parallel line can be used to made of the wooded to plastic of the material. To T square, this keep of the work can be there in the drawing table. To always of the left side in the drop line. Okay, see, it is a division of the is not common for engineering student to use to there. Okay, see, these are used for the straight line and parallel line can be draw the drawing sheet to use to there. Okay, see, all of you
Sir,
drawing different type of the
sir,
engineering drawing practice can be used to there
sir,
in the larger
sir,
size divider and the
sir,
large size of the compacts and the compacts also there T square and the small compacts the small for divide in the different components can be used to there. This is the length of the bar. The length of the bar can be used to drawing to pencil used to instrument of the compacts in properly be can used to there in the SB lead in the okay.
sir,
See the different
sir,
the compass can be used to there in the price. Okay, next is a pencil.
Sir,
The pencil is a very important in the drawing practice. Good quality in the pencil can be cut of handness or to select of the drawing the nearest of the drawing pencil.
Excuse
Various
me,
of the
sir.
different type of the mostly used to there. HB pencil draw the lines. H pencil to use to medium and 2H and 3H pencil is draw regularly in custom. Okay, see this is used to HB pencil draw the lines, the thickness of the H pencil and that 2H and 3H pencil can be used to there. Okay, see the different the pencil can be used to there to different type of the take the different process. See,
sir,
all of you listen in the
sir,
screenshot can be see
sir,
our textbook only for the introduction. Today is the next class can be used to screenshot and the PPT also there. How to different diagrams. The first take the today only for the only introduction how to the drawing instrumentation. The drawing instrument can be see the first take the purchase our book. Okay, all of you the next class must I should their book also there in the textbook. The textbook can be used to there in the all the uh, to see the how to prepare of the drawing sheet. The how to prepare of the drawing sheet can be used to there. Okay, see the first take the only for the how to briefly can be used there the different process in the manufacturing system. The screenshot can be Okay, see the pencil. The pencil can be used HB. HB is a pencil to the dark lines, and the H pencil to be used the medium dark lines. The 2H and 3H pencil can be either consist of the line. Okay, see is a different type of the lines can be used to there. To use to drawing can be cut the wooden from the angular to use to there in the shape the lead of the conical point to conical point can be used to there, and the HP H and 2H and 3H can be used to the drawing the usually there in the drawing sheet. Okay, see the drawing sheet can be used to the pencil lead can be prepare of the conical point, the drawing straight and curved lines, the various of the thickness in pencil is a conical point in consider of the general purpose of pencil can be used to their lettering and dimensions. Okay, first to take the lettering and dimension there to use to in the different lettering and dimension of the process. Okay, see these pencil can be prepared of the conical point in draw straight and curved lines can be used to there. See different thickness of the pencil in the drawing sheet to pencil can be HP, H and 2H and 3H can be used to there. Okay,
Sir, you're not
see
audible.
eraser is a common the good quality plastic in rubber can be eraser used to error of the any unwanted lines and drawing. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, see the uh, drawing sheet can be used to their different A0 and A1, A2, A3, A4. This is a size. The dimension of the size is the most preferable of recommended to A A2. Okay, A2 drawing sheet is recommended to use to there in the drawing sheet in the different okay, see this drawing sheet of title box. The title box is very important of the there in the drawing sheet edge board line to drawing space. Okay, all of you, your textbook, see, the textbooks are very important. The textbook to purchase the
Sir, which textbook,
every
sir?
point in the textbook there in the engineering drawing. Any doubt can be used to there in the your textbook. Okay, see the textbook the draw the drawing. The any uh, component can be used to there to different drawing sheets to draw the diagrams. Okay, the diagram they be engineering the details of the printing of the title box can be title box drawing sheet. The recommended show below. The shall be continuing of the name, date, position of the symbols, scale, title, drawing sheet number. Okay, see the first take the name, your name, roll number, and the date is a title box can be used to there in the drawing sheet. Different title box in the sheet, the right side. Right side the drawing sheet. Okay, these 60 and 170 length can be used to there in the totally in the draw the title box. The title box can be used to drawing sheet, the name, date, and the symbols, the scale, title, drawing sheet number. Okay, in the drawing the repair of the drawing whether in the first angle in the third angle position can be used to there to method of the prepare in the different drawing sheet in the textbook. Okay, see the all of you textbook.
Sir,
Two title balls can be clear about it. Okay, see only for the drawing instrumentation today totally is
Sir.
first to take the drawing. This is a drawing box can be used to there. See, this is a computer all the okay. Next, the lines. The lines is a very important can be used to drawing sheet. The drawing sheet is that there are the many types of the lines can be various of the darkness and thickness of the used to prepare of the engineering drawing. The engineering of the drawing can be used to the different prepare of the there. See different type of the drag lines. The used to there. Okay, see the folding of the drawings can be used to there to how to complete the draw in the folding of the drawing lines can be used there. Okay, see the first there is a different type of the lines. Lines can be first only for the introduction today. Only how to prepare of the different type of the scale can be used there. Okay, see only for the drawing practice first to take the instrumentation and the different practice of the drawing sheet. Okay, see next the lettering. The lettering is first to take the lettering. The lettering, the engineering drawing in always of the size of the objective of the section of the from the writing note, the dimension of the method in doing the lettering. All the single stroke lettering can be used to there, and the single stroke and the uniformly width and stroke can be pencil for the lettering. The student can be used to poor handwriting can be used to there different the lettering continue of the careful practice. The poor the lettering can be expect of good lettering can be lettering is can be doing the practice for the first sheet. This lettering can be used there. Okay, lettering there is a size of the using the engineering drawing. The first to take the height of the lettering. Lettering can be done to variety of the including the 15 degrees for the right width of the yeah. Okay, see this is a lettering select of the suitable for the various of the from the 0.4 H to 0.6 H the expert of the lettering to different first sheet. Okay, see the different type of the sheet can be used there in the engineering students. The ask the following can be lettering to there. The first take the line, descriptive and general application. Okay, the first take the line, the continue thickness. See your textbook, all of you next class can be see ND but or other textbook can be engineering drawing practice. And the textbooks are very important. Textbook can be prepared to all the points there to see different
Which textbook, sir?
points can be okay. See the continue thickness, the variable outline, and the variable edge, the continue thin, the straight and curve. This is a line can be traction, the dimension lines, the position lines, the lettering lines, hatching, the short center lines. See the continue thin lines can be used to there. The different A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J is a different type of the lines can be used to there. This practice to drawing practice can be used to manufacturing. Okay, see all of you. This practice can be used in the different drawing. This is your textbook in the continue the line and the description and the application. Okay, see okay. Today only for the practice, only introduction of the uh, today only for the only introduction of the class. To use to next class can be screenshot sharing and any PPTs also there. Okay, see first to take the today only for the introduction the classes to use to there. Okay, see all of you purchase our textbook and
Sir, sir, which textbook, sir?
hello, hello.
You are audible, sir.
All of you, this is lines can be used to there. See the points. This textbook name ND Bhatt. ND Bhatt. Okay. These are all the instrumentation of the drawing. These pencils, different pencils can be used to there. See the pencils. Get the pencil can be HB pencil, H and 2H pencil, 3H pencil can be used to draw the drawing, the different uh, drawing pencils. Okay. See the different type of the drawing pencil can be used to there in the different areas. Okay. The this is a different uh, protractor and the complex to use to drawing instrumentation in the drawing instrumentation can be used to there. Okay, see this is a mini drafter. Okay, mini drafter can be used to there. The mini drafter, this is a mini drafter can be the fixed of the board and the drawing board. Drawing board can be used to there. See the different drawing board can be many drafter. The fixed in or attached to the top of the end in drawing board. Okay. See the top of the end in drawing board. This is uh, one of the instrument of the drawing many drafter. Okay, the many drafter can be used to there in the different areas, and the different drawing sheet can be used to there. Okay, the tri square used to drawing straight line and parallel line. This also one of the uh, equipment of the drawing practice. Okay, this is a drawing board. This is drawing board can be used to there. The drawing board can be wooden. The wooden manufacturing to use to carrying out any fixed drawing sheet in the drawing board. The drawing board is made of the wood. This wood can be used to there. The different drawing board can be used to there. Okay, see, this is all the manual drawing equipment can be used to there in the drawing board. First one, these are following the drawing instrument commonly used to there in the engineering student in the engineering drawing practice. See, write down the all of you. uh, is 14. 1 to 14 can be used to drawing the manual drawing equipment. The drawing board, the many drafter or square, drawing instrument box, drawing pencil, eraser, template, set square, protractor, scale set, mention karo, different is a drawing sheet. Okay, see, these are all the today the introduction of the class only for the drawing instruments. Okay, drawing instruments can be used to there to different is a drawing board. This is a drawing many drafter. All of you, this is a many drafter. These are different tree square, the large side device, large side compacts. Okay, this is a used to the drawing instrumentation in the drawing different process there. Okay, this is drawing the pencils. uh, this is used to drawing instrument can be used there. See the different type of the drawing instrument can be used to there in the practice. Okay, see, this is a pencil can be HP, H and 2H pencil can be used to there in the drawing practice. This is uh, all the triangular 45-degree with the protractor, 30 to 60 triangular with the arrow can be used to there. This is a type of the all the drawing is there. Okay, see, this is a uh, protractor with practice can be used to different go to any merit scale. The box containing of merit scale can be used to there. See the different information can be engineering drawing practice. Okay, see the all of you. This type of the drawing instrument today. Okay, see the This is a drawing sheet. Drawing sheet. The drawing sheet A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. This is a title box. Title box can be used to there. This is the type of the right side of the title box. 60 to 170. Draw the drawing to prepare of the name, date, and the symbol, and to prepare of the skills, title, drawing sheet number. Okay, see the first one drawing sheet number. The first two drawing sheet number can be used to there. This is a symbol. First angle position, third angle position can be used to there. See, all of you first angle position can be symbol to draw the title box. To draw the title box. Okay, the all of you first angle, first drawing title is a drawing title name. Drawing title name can be, for example, uh, position of the lettering. First one title. Drawing title name is first one lettering, lines, points, extra. Okay, see the title box can be used to there. Okay, the next this is uh, A to K. These are most important of the lines. Draw the drawing to use to there. Okay, see, this is a different type of the outlines diagram to lettering of the select in the suitable of the various from the lines. Can be engineering student can be asked to different shape and size given the two different outline continue thickness can be used to there. Okay, see the lines can be used to there in the manufacturing process. There is a continue of the lines. Okay, the next this is a practice. Okay, all the first one, the first drawing lettering is vertically can be used to there in the lettering. See the first drawing sheet. Okay, see, okay, next today only for the introduction. The next class can be practice in the drawing sheet. The different practice can be used today. The different drawing practice. Drawing practice can be used to there in the different type of the engineering graphics. See, engineering graphics can be used to there in the different section. Okay, see, the all of you only no confusion in the first to take the purchase in the textbook. All of you see first take the textbook and all the drawing instruments to today class. The next class can be how to practice in the drawing in the first lettering. Okay, see, uh, without practice cannot understand the drawing. First to take the only for the drawing sheet can be how to practice there in the engineering graphics. Okay, see, see very simple is no only for the theoretical class, no practical, only how to understanding the textbook to use today. Okay, see, all of you see the next class can be screenshot also there in the ppts. See, today only for the introduction to use to there. Okay, see, the next class can be how to practice in the lettering, first lettering to drawing sheet. The all of you today go to any uh, shop can be used to mini drafter and all the drawing instruments and the drawing sheets, the drawing board can be used to there today only for the uh, to practice, only for the introduction to use to there. Okay, go to any shop can be used to there in the good eraser
Sir,
can
we
be there.
can't hear
Okay, the set
you.
square, the set square can be, the set square is the 45 triangular, 30 to 60 triangular can be available common to draw the parallel and perpendicular lines can be t square, some type of 45 degrees. I have the protractor of the 30 to 60 in the different process can be set square. Two is all the drawing instrument can be most important to use to there in the drawing. Okay, the set square can be set square 45 triangular in 30 to 60 triangular can be available common to draw the parallel and perpendicular lines using the t square. The sum type of the 45 degrees can be set square in protractor inside of the 30 to 60 set of the here. Okay, see, these set square can be used to there. The 45 triangular in protractor, 30 to 60 triangular is plane scale. Okay, see, go to engineering graphics instruments and go to any shop can be the purchase of the all of you there. Okay, see, these engineering first take the drawing board, mini drafter and the pencil, eraser and set square. The set square can be used to there. The next to protractor, protractor can be used, protractor can be used to there in the different uh, protractor can be used in making of the measuring angular, measuring, making a measurement of angle. Protractor have the pro of cycle inside of the common element of the marking. Okay, see, this making of the marking to protractor of the used to making of the measuring of the angle, the setups. Okay, scale. This is a common, the information box in the protractor and there. Okay, see, the next drawing sheet. Drawing sheet is a most important of the engineering practice. To area size of the drawing sheet to use to engineering drawing in the different process. The design A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. This is a dimension of the mm. A0 840 into 1089 is the mm, can be A0. The A1 is 594 into 841 mm. These are sheet size, the dimension size. Okay, the engineering student can be practice prepare of the A2 drawing sheet is a recommended of the this A2 is 420 into 594. These practice of the drawing sheet can be used to there. Okay, see, this is the engineering student for the practice prepare of the A2 drawing sheet and the recommended in the drawing sheet. Okay, see the drawing sheet can be showing the title box and the board lines given the below. Okay, see, first take the drawing sheet, the A2 drawing sheet is a preparable of the A3 is 297 into 420. The A4 is 210 into 297 is a dimension in mm. The recommended of the drawing sheets. All of you, these drawing sheets are very important. Can be for the engineering student to practice of the A2 drawing sheet is recommended. Okay. See. Uh,
Hello, hello, hello.